We're now going to calculate our end of month survey volume, so we can turn back on our triangulation and volumes workspace, and we can select the exact volume between tins option. Our original tin was 2009-05, our new tin is 2009-06. Our report file, we'll just call this 2009-06. EOM for end of month vols. The polygon, if we click back into view number 1, and we'll pick the boundary string going all the way around the outside of our data. We can then click on volume, and the volume will be created and the report file will be opened. Whenever we're calculating volumes, we should always do two different methods, so we're going to check this using the end area method. We can just close down this panel here, and to help us with the end area method, we're going to import a string that is an alignment string from which to cut the cross sections through. We could just create this string, it's just a vertical line. If we go to import 12D ASCII, go up one level, and you'll find a file there called damalignment.12da. You can just read that in, finish on the panel, and transfer it across to view number 1, closing down our data input view. To calculate the end area volumes along a string, we go to Design, Volumes, End Area, String, Tin to Tin. Our string is going to be this alignment string here. Our original tin will be 2009-05, our new tin will be 2009-06. We can leave the distance between our sections at 10 meters. Obviously the closer you make those sections, the more accurate the volume, but the longer it will take. As we're only using this as a check, there's no need to make them any smaller than 10 meters because we already have the exact volume. We're just going to change the difference color from white to blue. The polygon, once again we'll select the polygon that runs around the outside boundary and accept that. Our report file, we're going to use the same report file we previously used and just append to it. And what's very important is this string segment only. Because our string runs outside of our tin in places, if we left that ticked on, it wouldn't calculate the volume at these changes, at change 80, 90, 100, 110, 120, and also at the start here. So we must tick that off and then click on volume. We want to append to the original report file, and if we have a look at our report file, our original cut was 14,000, our new cut is 14,300, so that's a pretty good check. Our total fill was 125,000, our total fill here is 124,800, so once again a pretty good check, and the balance once again is within 200 cubic meters. Of course the exact volume is the exact volume, so it's the most accurate one, and that is the volume we would use. Our end area volume is simply a check to make sure we haven't made any gross errors. We can finish on that and finish on this panel.